So after watching Falcon and the Winter Soldier, I got inspired to make my very own Winter Soldier mask. I started off by going onto Thingiverse and printing out a design. I'll leave a link in the description to the design I used. After printing it out, I had to remove it from my 3D printer. Then I had to remove all the support material. After all the support material was removed, I used black spray paint to change the color of the mask and goggles to black. Here's the mask and goggles completely painted. As you can see, I don't have any lenses in the goggles. To do this, I bought a cheap pair of tinted safety glasses from Amazon. Then I used a Dremel to cut out each individual lens. Next, I used a hot glue gun to glue the lenses into the goggles. At this point, I used straps from a black mask and hot glued them onto my Winter Soldier mask and goggles. This is the final placement of all the straps on the mask and goggles. Overall, it's actually pretty comfortable and it looks fairly authentic for what it's worth. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.